Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can automatically upload photos and videos to Google Photos. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open Google Photos application on your device. Once you open the application, you will find your profile here. If you're not signed in with your Google account, make sure to sign in first and then tap on your profile. Here you will find turn on backup. So all you need to do is to just tap on that one. But if you cannot find it here, you need to tap on photo settings, and from here there is the backup option. All you need to do is to enable the backup option. Once you do so, your photos and videos from now on will be automatically uploaded to Google Photos, which will be kept in your Google Drive space. If you buy more, as you can see, I am using the free one, 15 GB. If you buy more subscription from Google, then the space will be more. As you can see, start 100 GB trial, or maybe they will charge you after that. So I will go back and just show you that now, as you can see, these all photos from the gallery will be uploaded to Google Photos automatically. If you click a photo or download a photo, it will be uploaded to your Google Photos. So guys, this is all it takes to upload photos and videos automatically to Google Drive. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.